Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Dogecoin from Exmo to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your Dogecoin securely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have your Exmo account set up with some Dogecoin in it and that your Tangem wallet is properly configured and connected to your device. It's 2025, so expect some updated interfaces, but the core steps remain similar. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, open your Tangem wallet app on your phone or device. Go to the Receive section for Dogecoin and generate or copy the wallet address. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Now, back in Exmo, click on the Withdraw option for Dogecoin. Paste the address you copied from Tangem into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary based on Dogecoin's blockchain congestion. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After that, sit tight. The transaction will be processed on the Dogecoin network, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour in 2025, depending on the tech upgrades. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. Pro tip: always use official apps and enable security features like pins or biometrics to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you send Dogecoin from Exmo to Tangem wallet. If you follow these steps, you'll be transferring your crypto like a pro. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.